Yes, it's me again.
Yeah.
And I'm back.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my signature acrylic nails, so let's get it in, shall we? So first thing that we're going to do is remove all of that red nail polish off first. So we're going to go in with some nail polish remover and take all of this off. I don't know why, but it took me so long to take off this red nail polish. Look at all those cotton pads. So now that that's all done, we're going to cut and clean the nails. So I'm just going to first cut my nails so they can all grow evenly under the acrylic, and then make sure I clean my cuticles. So once that's all done, I go in with the correct shape nail to apply, and then I go in with some super glue. Now this super glue, you can find it anywhere, like at your pound store or something. It's not as damaging to your nails. It's not like Gorilla Glue, but it is a decent super glue to use. Now I would go in with the clear nails to put on, but since I kind of want like an ombre type of look on the nails, I like to use the white, so then I don't have to use so much of my acrylic powder. So I cut them to an appropriate length, because in my other video they were too long and I couldn't cope, okay? I couldn't deal. So I'm just cutting them really nice and short, and then I'm going to shape them so they're nice and square. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing properly, because filming this, I was just like, I don't know where to put the camera, I don't know what to do with the lighting, so hopefully you guys appreciate this video. So once that's done and I've got the right shape that I like, I go in and I just buff out the nail, the part that's glued on, so it's a little bit smoother. You don't see no bumps or anything under the acrylic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hands, get all of that dust off. We don't want our nails looking dusty. So once my nails are all fresh and clean, I'm gonna go in with some, this is just a primer just to put under your nail to protect your actual nail from the chemicals in the acrylic. So I have a couple of acrylic powders here. The first one is a more pink, and then the second is, it's still a blush pink, but it's really light. So I'll go in with these two, as well as some acrylic liquid. And everything that you see here, I've either got on Amazon or eBay. Like all of these like nail arts, I think I got those on AliExpress. And when I say it, I think it took like 2 months to arrive. And I got these on eBay as well. They're so cute. So affordable as well. I think I paid like £3 or something from each. So I like to start on the bottom of the nail, or well, from that angle the bottom, but it's like the top of the nail, just so I can cover where the fake nail is and where my real nail is. So adding these little gold strips on there, I'll go in with a little bit of the acrylic liquid so they have something to hold on to, and then I go in with that white blush acrylic. Now with these Chanel stickers, I added one on my finger here as you're about to see. But then I added like little ones on every other finger as well. I just figured, why not just use up all the Chanels? Use up all the Chanel. So next I'm gonna go on with this machine again. Where did I get that from? I believe I got that on I think it was Amazon. Everything comes in a set. What was it, eBay? Well, everything I used, it will be listed in the description anyway. That is all done. So next for the top coat, we're going to be going in with the Vera Lisa UV LED top coat nail gel. So I really like this nail gel because once it goes on, no chip or no peel from any color. It's a high gloss and it lasts over a month, so that's it. Like once it's on, it's on. Like if you want to change your color, you're gonna have to drill this off first. So once it goes under the UV lamp here, which I put on for 90 seconds, it dries instantly. So next I just go with some, this is like an oil, and I just put it all over the nail and the cuticles, and that is it. And those are the nails, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.